It's such an amazing machine. But good lord, who invented the Predator Sense? Okay, so really quick, I'm gonna break this video down. I'm gonna put some timestamps as well, but we are gonna watch the entire video. It is only 2 minutes, which is not that bad considering some of you spend hours on TikTok watching a bunch of nonsense. I don't know if everybody understood this, but I didn't understand it. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot for that one. About 6 months back, I did a video about the Acer Predator Sense and how it was so annoying. Predator Sense just wasn't working, nothing was happening, all kinds of fixes were being tried out, and nothing, absolutely nothing was working. I'm talking about installing, uninstalling. I'm talking about uninstalling and then installing an older version. I'm talking about removing all updates. Nothing was working. About 6 months ago, I gave up. I did this video. It's been 6 months. The RGB lighting, Predator Sense, nothing was working. No lights whatsoever. Swaki says, tell me. Don't worry, Swaki, today I got you, my brother. Rank 1 Casual said, mind if you give a super quick rundown here? I'm panicking, it's throwing me off. And now Predator Sense completely disappeared from my laptop. Installing a new one doesn't even pop up either. Yes, I've tried that, bro. I've tried that. Install, uninstall, uninstall, install older version. We've been through all that BS. We're gonna do it now, bro. We're gonna do it now. So I guess just like everybody else, I was pretty much looking for how do I fix this? Quick introduction. I've got the Helios. I can't even talk today, man. Jesus Christ. I have the Acer Helios Predator 18. I've done the unboxing. The unboxing is on my channel. I went from the Predator 300, which I absolutely love. I miss that laptop so much. The only reason why I upgraded and I got the Helios 18 was because the Helios 18 had USB-C display. And ever since I got this Helios 18, I've had nothing but problems. It's a phenomenal machine, amazing machine. It does what it does exactly what it's supposed to do. The GeForce RTX does not miss. The software, who invented it? Like, how can you have such a powerful machine and have and have such a rubbish piece of software? The fans weren't working because Predator Sense weren't working. It's been 6 months, guys. It's been a hard 6 months. The fans weren't working, RGBs weren't working, Predator Sense in general wasn't working. It is rubbish. It is absolutely rubbish. Today we're going to be talking about the fix. It comes courtesy of Minute Tech. I'll put the link in his video in the description somewhere, but I found his video. It doesn't work 100% according to his instructions, but this is the beauty, is that I will give you guys my feedback on how it worked for me using his instructions. Let's get into it. Real quick, Minute Tech, if you're watching this, we need to get you a new hoodie. The team over at Hawk, they got me this t-shirt. They got me a bunch of stuff. Minute Tech, reach out, bro. And I need to send you a Hawk hoodie. They're available in stores, but don't worry, I've got the plug. I'll send you a hoodie, bro. So you're gonna give 2 minutes. You're gonna give Minute Tech his minutes. But in essence, the way the video works is first identify the laptop that you have. I'm sure a lot of you know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, stick around. Minitech is going to walk us through how to identify the laptop that we have. And then after you've identified the laptop that you have, we're going to go into downloading Predator Sense. And this is where it gets slightly interesting. So I'm going to play the video and I'm going to put a timestamp for all of you that already know, what laptops you have and you just want to know figure it out. So let's go.
Right, or I'll leave the link for you in the description below. You can use this, identify the model number, and then head to the Acer's dedicated website for their apps and other tools that you can download to optimize your Acer laptop. I'll leave this link as well in the description below for your ease or convenience. Once you identified your model, enter this right into the search bar that you see in the website, and it will show all of the details of your.
That's a piece of advice. Always download the software pertaining to your system. Like, I know sometimes it's jarring to go in there and figure out what laptop we have. This slash this. I know it's jarring, but please always download the software that relates to your system. Very important. I know it's a given. I know it's a given, but I take shortcuts as well sometimes. I'm like, man, who cares? It's an Acer Predator Helios 18. And then I forget, ah, you know, I got the top spec version, so I gotta, you know.
specific laptop. Scroll all the way down to applications and then look up for Predator Sense. Before you make the download, make sure you
Okay, I want to interrupt because this is something that didn't work for me, personally speaking. I didn't download the updated version because the updated version was actually causing me some problems. Guys, do it like this, right? Do it Minitech's way, do it the way he says in the video, and see if it works for you. And if it doesn't work for you, just keep in mind the tips that I'm giving you that worked for me. Because it's not going to work for everyone the way he does it. It didn't work for me. The updated version of Predator Sense actually gives me problems. Like, I can't explain it to you guys. I'm not that tech savvy. But the updated version, you see the one that's highlighted, 2024-03-27, it gives me problems. It actually stops Predator Sense from working. And that's the reason why I've never used the updated version. I've always used the first version, the 2023 version. That's the one I've always used. For some reason, I cannot figure it out. I cannot figure it out. The updated version just simply doesn't work on my system. So over here, Minitech is telling you guys to download the updated version. Do try it his way, see if his method works. For me, the old version is the version that worked. Yeah.
download the file, extract it, and install it, but do not run the application. Once you're done with your installation, make sure you open the file and run the AppX bundles that you can find inside the UWP file. These are .NET framework files. Once you run it, because there's going to be so many AppX files in here and you might not know what works for you. So just keep clicking all and installing them. And one of them is definitely going to work or support for your specific.
Okay, really quick. Really quick. Let's go back here. Okay, cool. So basically, the way I had to do it, I don't know if it's a given. So I had to uninstall Predator Sense. I'm not sure how I'm not sure if he's implying that you already have Predator Sense. I'm not sure, but you have to completely uninstall Predator Sense. It's how it worked for me. Completely uninstall Predator Sense. Don't have it on your laptop and then do it this way. It didn't work for me. I had to completely uninstall Predator Sense. I had to go and download the old version because I did try it with the new version, and I'll tell you guys why the new version didn't work, why I think it didn't work. But get rid of Predator Sense, install Predator Sense, open up the folders, the UWP. God, I need caffeine. I can't even talk today.
Bundles that you can find inside and run the AppX bundles that you can find.
Okay, so the AppX bundles that he's talking about, very important. I did it exactly this way. So you open up the folder and you run the AppX bundles. Double click. Bam, 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 bam. Double click. Um, it sounds random because because it is random. A lot of the files that he has opened in this video didn't open for me. It's weird, but it is absolutely random. Unless somebody can give me the exact app file that I'm supposed to be opening. He does it randomly. I did it randomly, and it worked.
Find inside the UWP file. These are .NET framework files.
Yeah, so it says reinstall. I think he already has Predator Sense on the laptop, which didn't work for me. I had to uninstall it completely.
Once you run it, because there's going to be so many AppX files in here and you might not
He says there's going to be so many AppX files. I only had about 5 AppX files. I don't know why.
know what works for you. So just keep clicking all and installing them. And one of them is definitely going to work or support for your specific model.
When you launch Predator Sense, it's going to give you that stupid update software little box. Because I downloaded the old version, like I said at the beginning of the video, that box pops up. Do not update. Do not update Predator Sense. Don't do it. If you're doing it my way and you're doing it with the old version, do not update. Just run away from that update button. Just do something, avoid the update button. because that update button then brings you back to the new version. And the new version, like I said before, it just doesn't work for me. It completely stops Predator Sense from working. Completely stops Predator Sense from working. So, guys, I don't know if you want to do it Minitex way, where you download the latest Predator Sense software, or you want to do it my way, where you download the extra old version, like the first version, and then hopefully that works for you. But in essence, the beauty of this video is that the APPX files. That's the beauty of this video. Like I would have never thought to run those APPX files. I would have never, not in a million years. I would have just installed run Predator. Our Predator's not working. Uninstall. I would have never thought to run APPX files. So Minitech is actually an absolute genius for that one.
I had to do the same way. Like I couldn't figure out which one was for my model. So I had to click each and every one of these weird names. And then eventually one of them worked for me. And then I
Random.
launched the application and it just works smooth and have never faced any issues to date. Anyways, that's it for this video.
Shout out to Minitech, man. Let me see if I can open Predator Sense for you guys right now. Here we go. Boom. Boom. So yeah, Predator Sense is working fine. Um, yeah, thank God Predator Sense is working, man. And guys, avoid that stupid update button. Just avoid it. If you're having problems like mine's, avoid that button. I hate that update button so much. I am never clicking on update Predator Sense ever in my life. Ever. Ever, ever, ever. Use the old version. Follow Minitech. I'll put his video in the link below. But this absolutely works. The RGBs are working. Predator Sense is working. Performance mode, quiet mode, turbo mode, everything is working fine. So yeah, thank you so much, Minitech, for this amazing video, brother. This video came out 2 months ago, but you have no idea. It's been 6 months since I did that video about the Predator Sense not working. It actually wasn't working for a much longer time. So you're looking at about 8 months without any Predator Sense on the laptop. Predator Helios 18. Guys, if you have any questions, just let me know. I think it's pretty self-explanatory because I'm not a genius like that, and I managed to follow his instructions. So you might have to play with it a little bit, but my advice is uninstall Predator, install the older file, run APPX files like the way he did in the video, and for the love of God, do not update the Bumbaclat Predator Sense software. Those are the 4 points that I would make. The 4 points that I would tell you guys about, right? Obviously, a little bit different to Minitech, but Minitech's the one who came up with the APPX files, clicking on the APPX files. I would have never thought of that in a million years. Minitech, if you're watching this, brother, reach out to me. Let's get you a new hoodie. The team is out here. Hawk, you can go check out the merch. Actually, let's check out the merch right now. Hold up. So yeah, shout out to the people over at Hawk for helping me out with my travel vlog playlist. Go check it out, guys. I've been to so many different countries and I've been vlogging. We've been to a few countries this year and we're still going. So thank you so much to the team over at Hawk for helping us out with the traveling vlogs. Do check out the travel vlog playlist on my channel. I will mix it up. I will try to do more Predator stuff. The new Predator is out. It's got this massive RGB lighting at the front of the laptop. I don't think I'll be getting that laptop because I don't know. I'm not convinced yet. But do check out the travel vlogs. Also, do check out the store. We've got the Chinese New Year coming up. So you got the bomber jackets, you got the tank tops, you got the shorts. Pretty neat stuff. They do send me quite a lot of stuff. Most recently, they've sent me brand new Muay Thai shorts for my training. Look at these Muay Thai shorts. Look at these Muay Thai shorts. Look at them. So yeah, I've got my brand new Muay Thai shorts here, ready for training. They've also sent me the limited edition season 1 shirt. It is amazing. It is a dry fit material. And the most amazing socks in the world. The most amazing socks in the world. Compression cool step dry socks, which I wear religiously. These have just been washed, but yeah, I wear them religiously, man. They're so comfortable. The compression is so good. Feet are so dry. So yeah, guys, I hope that helped. Like I really, really hope that helped because it is frustrating having a laptop that's so expensive, but nothing seems to work. Software doesn't seem to work. It is extremely frustrating. Check out the Minitech video. I will put a link in there below because I do want to give him his props because without his video, I wouldn't have figured out how to make my stuff work. So shout out to Minitech and just let me know, guys, once you follow these instructions, if it's actually working for you guys, or if you had to tweak it a little bit, like the way I tweaked it, like the way I installed the older version. Perhaps you did it a different way and it worked. But yeah, I can't wait to see the response. I can't wait to see the comments because I think the Predator community, Acer Predator community, can can really bond together on this one. But yeah, other than that, that's it, man. I'm out.